Burke, chwilio am gymorth. At Arsan. Arsan at Rutherford. Mendes. Tuag at Venables. Craig Williams yn clirio. Smith yna'n casglu'r briwsion. Nôl at Anthony Kay. Kay, chwilio am yn ergyd o bell. Hwna, yn ergyd da gan Anthony Kay. Neu Christian. T. Jones sy'n tu allan. Pas hyfryd gan Ruston. Tuag at Jones. Jones tuag at y canol. Tuag at Nigel Harris. Peniad Harris dros y trawst. Robles. Cowens, allan at Harris. Harris chwilio am rhediad Ruston. Camdeallwriaeth rhwng Kieran Smith ac Harry Lloyd. Ac mae Neu Christian wedi rhoi Drenewydd ar y blaen. 3 munud yr ail hanner wedi chwarae. Dryswch llwyr yn y cefn. Ac Neu Christian yn sgorio gol gynta y Drenewydd ers 4 gêm. Ruston. Williams. Cyfle am ergyd. Fel yn disgyn i Williams eto. Ergyd gan Williams. Wel hwnna mynd tuag at Gonel Isa Rwyd. Angan i harbad. Gwaith dda gan Harry Lloyd yn y gol. Lloyd yn chwilio am Venables. Gwaith dda gan Venables. Newell, allan at Luke Wall, nôl i'r canol, nôl at Venables, a dyna chi gol gan George Newell. Mae Bala wedi bod yn cynyddu'r pwysau yn y munudau dwytha, ac efo 7 munud o'r gêm i chwarae, George Newell yn union i'r sgor. Da gan Luke Wall, heibio i Robles. Chwilio am Venables. Venables, cadw'r bel yn fyw. Mendes, gwaith da gan Lysana Mendes. I'r canol, bel yn ôl. At Shannon. Ergyd gan Shannon yr ail, ergyd dros y trawst. Gwaith hyfryd gan Lysana Mendes i greu'r cyfle. Ergyd cynta Shannon. Cael ei chlirio dod yn ôl iddo fo. Ar ail ergyd modfeddi dros y trawst. George Hughes yn clirio. Ishmael heibio i Kieran Smith. Dipyn o le o flaen Seli Ishmael. Ishmael chwilio am yr ergyd. O, dyna chi gol gan Seli Ishmael. I Gonel Isa Rwyd. Heibio i Harry Lloyd. Da ni yn mynd i mewn i'r amser sy'n cael ei ychwanegu ar ddiwedd y gêm. Ishmael heibio i Kieran Smith yng nghanol y cae. Mi agorodd y lle o'i flaen o. A nath o ddim camgymeriad efo'r ergyd. Ac ai dyna'r gol sy'n selio triffrwynt i Drenewydd.
It's a good performance and a good result when you come here and win, because our record here isn't fantastic in my time. So look, you know, but I thought Bala caused us problems, and I thought we caused them problems, and the game ebbed and flowed, and it was nip and tuck. And then, you know, we probably for the only few times this season where our bits of quality shone through, and we got Zelly in the middle of the pitch, and you know, it's a great finish, and yeah, we'll take the 3 points and then move on to the next 2 games.
Disappointing, you know, after getting back in the game, we give a silly goal away for the first goal, give ourselves a mountain to climb, we get back in the game, look like we're going to go on and get a second, and then concede the poor goal again.
At that moment I just wanted to hit the target. That was it for me, and then when I saw it go in, it was buzzing. We don't usually win here. Apparently the boys have been talking about it in the change room and said we've not won here for years. So it's nice to get that.
You're on a bad run of results now. I think this is the 10th game without a win. Can you put your finger on why that's happened?
What? The boys work so hard in training. We go through bits and bobs, and you know, with the squad that we've got in that dressing room, we're underachieving in terms of results. We've just been speaking to the boys. There's still plenty to play for. We're in the Welsh FA Cup final. You go and win that, you're in Europe. You know, you finish the season winning 2 cups and qualifying for Europe. It's the best season we've ever had. So it's fine margins, isn't it? We're that close to having the best season we've ever had. And we're that close to really achieving just a League Cup win and nothing else.